morning, guys, and welcome to a rainy day in Makuhari. Anna should be just finishing up a QVC. It was just pouring rain, so I bought an umbrella. And anybody want to guess what just happened? It just stopped raining. This is my Tokyo rain curse all over again. So the question is, do I bring the umbrella all day or do I get rid of the damn thing? I don't know. We'll find out when Anna's done work, if we're sticking around Makuhari or just heading into Tokyo, which I believe is the plan, but I don't know if she wants to stick around and get something to eat. We'll find out in about 5, 10, 20 minutes. So hey guys, we have made it to Meguro now. We are in the McDonald's because of a very special thing. I'm going to do a separate video on this, but I'll give you a sneak peek. And I picked up this kind of, it's almost like a breakfast sandwich, but it's made like a burger. It has a beef patty, cheese, an egg, and bacon on top. All right, let's give this a shot. What do you think, Anna? Looks pretty good, actually. Yeah.
It's good. It's kind of good.
Actually yummy. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, it's good, right? So there's the inside, guys. Very not McDonald's tastings, but actually quite delicious. It's raining. But we are in Shinjuku, and we're checking out a new mall called New Oman. Oh, it's like a jungle in here. So we're in the New Woman Mall, and it's really nice. Like the nicest mall I've seen in a while.
Ever. The nicest mall ever.
Ever, okay. But we just walked into an area that has a Aesop, a golden goose, and an Isabel Marant, all for Anna.
It's like they said, oh, what's your favorite?
What is Anna like? All three?
In one little corner.
Yeah. Oh, look over there, and there's
bottle.
succulents there too.
And there's a blue bottle. Coffee shop.
Succulents. I'm gonna relish this moment where I have my Pokemon as the king of the gym for a very short amount of time. Anna's trying to figure out whether she wants to get a Chanel wallet. She's like, is this real? Is this not real?
It's at that store. They look pretty legit.
It's a used designer store. So we're on the east side of Shinjuku Station, which is actually kind of a nice little area. It's a little pedestrian walkway, kind of like dingy. Would you like to see a really nice time lapse? How about now?
Ready?
Ready.
Wait, should I open it?
Okay, ready? Wow.
Wow. It's pretty.
Alright, so now we're trying to get through the other side of Shinjuku Station, which is always a thing. But this lady over here is super happy. She's like, hey, I'm having the best day ever because I got a wallet.
Wait, what?
A wallet. I'm so happy.
Wallet.
I just wanted a wallet.
What have I been looking at this whole trip?
The best day ever. Oh, did you want to eat while we're here?
Sure.
So our view has been upgraded. Happy anniversary. And if you see a line, get in it. This is for cheese tarts? I'm not even sure what a cheese tart is. But they look good. We're gonna get one. Jesse reviews fake cheese tart in Ikebukuro station. I just stuck my fingers in it.
No, you didn't. That's amazing.
See, there's my fingerprint.
Ah, nuts. Hold on. Let me focus. You fingered it.
The aroma is deliciousness. It smells like bread and butter and yummy.
Deliciousness.
Yeah. That's unexpected. The inside is like really light and fluffy like a souffle. And it's just fucking delicious.
It's surprisingly good.
Jesse gives baked cheese tart an A+.
Wow.
Here, take a big bite. So, we are in Ikebukuro. I'm saying that right? And it's a totally like chill and completely different part of Tokyo we've never seen before. Tokyo, could you be any prettier sometimes? It's stupid. But I guess we're going there, straight ahead. It's a good date place, Anna. There's an aquarium here. I'm gonna take Anna there. Maybe I'll get lucky. What, fishes scare you?
The smell of chlorine, I don't get how that's sexy.
Maybe it's a good first date place.
Smelling cool, like smelling chlorine.
I guess. So we're at the Pokemon Mega Center, and guess what's outside? 2 fucking Pidgeys, if you can believe that.
What does that mean?
It's like the worst Pokemon you can get.
That's not nice.
No. Wow. Alright, so I asked if they had a Pokemon Go Plus. Not until November, she said. And kind of laughed at me like, haha, you're crazy. So what? Tonkatsu!
The first one on this trip, huh?
Yeah. So after my disappointing loss at the Pokemon store, where there was nothing that I wanted, I decided to drown my sorrows with pork and beer. We got the same thing, so I don't have to record Anna so she can start eating.
I did.
Oh yeah.
Look at them.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, this is gonna be viral. Go for it, kid.
Oh, the mom smells.
Go for it. Make me viral.
Make it what?
I said make it viral. Oh. First of all, why even have this? I don't get it. But second of all, check this out. I'm gonna get this for Anna.
You're crazy. Is it real or is it fake?
It's fake, I think.
It's fake.
It's a succulent. Isn't that hilarious?
Succulent.
You keep it forever.
I will forever. No, don't kill it.
You keep it forever. You can't kill it. Mini chef. Oh, Anna, happy birthday.
We love my name.
Happy birthday. So So we found another line to get into. This one's called Ringo. And Anna says,
You're gonna want it.
it's like some kind of apple pie.
With custard, like what's that place? Your
Been in Ikebukuro all day. It's pretty amazing here. Hello. So after a somewhat frustrating and exhaustive search, we found this amazing rooftop. But fuck, this is somewhere we've never been before, so it gets a little frustrating finding things sometimes.
Yeah.
It's like, because sometimes elevators don't go certain places, and the simplest instructions that we could be able to read would help us, but we're here now, and we're gonna eat our Ringo apple cake and drink our drinks. Jesse eats Ringo apple pie. Look at that. It looks like sticky, delicious goodness. First bite to you.
No, it's you. Oh,
okay, not gonna argue. Ready?
I bet you're so good. It seems like it'd be so good. Good?
You're gonna like it, it's not too sweet.
Really?
It's really appley.
What else?
And flaky and crusty.
Does
I
it
didn't
taste like
actually
a McDonald's apple pie?
get like a very good one. I didn't actually get any of the vanilla, so
You gotta get the vanilla. Yeah, you can see the vanilla. Is the vanilla like the custard?
That's good. Savory deliciousness. Alright, we upgraded our food situation. We have pomki, the real Belgian fries, with regular ketchup and chicken mayo. A tiny Coca-Cola, and a handmade, freshly prepared
Pizza.
pepperoni pizza. They made it fresh. Like, from the dough and everything.
Really?
Like they had the raw dough there and they flattened it out and then made it. Yeah, pretty amazing. You got your shit down, Japan. Ready? Let's eat. What am I looking at? Oh, it's me. Hey! These french fries are strangely not that great. They kind of taste like
Potatoes.
you're eating a raw potato, which is kind of weird. They are cooked, but
They are potatoes. They're just really dense.
yeah, so I figured out a way to fix them. These forks also suck. There.
No, they don't. I didn't know that fork is genius.
But you lose your french fry when it dips.
Ah.
At least when you dip like I dip. It's much better. 7,000 calories per potato. It's like an hour later and we're still here. The sun is starting to set. Anna's drunk.
You're not.
No, she had one drink and she has the Asian flush and her skin is warm. It's so cute. She's like a little fire. And if my skin looks really weirdly colored, it's because there's a yellow light in front of us. So, yeah. But I think we're eventually gonna head on into the loft right there, just for a little walk around. Alright, it's legitimately night now, we're still here. Anna's still drunk.
No, not.
She's not. I'm considering getting another beer, but I'm not sure.
Go ahead.
Do I want another beer?
Get it.
Do I? Guys, what do you think? But this food beer thing back here hasn't opened yet. I don't understand. They keep making announcements, but we have no idea what the announcements could be. So it could be like Godzilla's gonna attack in 3 minutes. Or it could be like free beer if you wait 10 more minutes, Jesse, but you're gonna go buy a beer and it's gonna cost you extra. Something like that. Okay, we found the best aisle. We're in loft right now. Look at this pillow. That's fine, but look at this pillow. Yeah. Who doesn't want to hug thee? And why is this guy right here? What does he have to say about things?
Could you imagine if you were on the plane?
And you had that?
Actually,
You're like, wait a second.
so much sense. $100?
It has warm feel 20. Who needs a significant other when you have a Hug V? Or this. The Mogu Feel Conscious. I think I might need this calendar. You can get it if you want it. I don't know. Good morning, Japan. Good morning, YouTube. Today is my last day in Tokyo. Anna has one day here. She goes to sleep in the morning. She leaves and goes to Makuhari to do one last show for QVC, and then sleeps and then leaves, right?
Huh?
So you have a night into Makuhari.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she has two more nights here. I'm going to the airport at noon. And yeah, sad times. Oh, hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. So we just had hotel breakfast, which is delicious. So good. They make the best French toast here. It's stupid. I wish everyone could make French toast like this. So that's about it for Jesse's Japan trip. Are you going to continue the vlog? Am I going to hand off the camera to you? No? Okay. Did you vlog at all on your phone? You made like get ready with me videos, right?
I made videos, yeah.
Oh, okay. So you guys have probably already seen that. If not, I will put them on right after Japan stuff. So that's about it for today. Today's going to be probably a non-day. I don't think I'll vlog or anything like that because driving to the airport and waiting in the airport is pretty fucking boring. So, oh, one more Jesse Eats. I'm going to film that in a minute. Okay, so that'll be it from Japan, from Annalee and Jesse.
Bye.
Bye.